Excellent day to every one of us. I want to do a video on the 6 steps to enter trade yourself with fund and risk management with RoyalQ Dream Achievers Team International Trade Setting. This is a trade setting, this is strategy, this is do it yourself guide on how you can enter any trade by yourself without waiting for your sponsor or your upline, so that you can take charge of your business of trading on RoyalQ bot. Now, that's why I have broken it down step by step to make it very, very easy. Now, the first thing to do is you go to the home page and look for the highest negative coin. So you go to your RoyalQ. Never enter any coin that is pumping, because any coin that has already pumped up, the next thing is for it to come down. So there are some teams, there are some communities in RoyalQ that claim that they have a strategy that should enter pumping coins. How can you go and enter a coin that has already gone up and you want to enter from up? Anything that goes up must come down. And they are getting results. But for my years of experience in trading, I will not recommend, no ever enter a coin that is pumping. People enter a coin that is pumping because of fear of missing out. No, 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 no. Don't do that. So what will you do? When you get your RoyalQ, you have the first thing to do is to tap this change to arrange the coin to the highest negative coin. Any coin that is down, the next thing for it is to go up. So the higher the negative the coin is, the more profit you make. So like this coin that is -8, it has the tendency of giving you like 3%. When the coin is negative like -10, it can give you, the higher the negative. There's a coin I saw one day was like -17% in the morning, and I know that coin I can take like 7% take profit from that coin. And before, in some hours later, the coin begin to reduce, and the person will have, anybody that entered that coin, I took like 4%, I went out from that coin. So the higher the negative a coin is, the more profit it can give you when you want to enter the trade. Now, after you have identified the highest negative coin, the next thing for you to do is check the coin on the 1 month chart to see the coin trade history. So you now tap the coin in the middle. I want to know how long is this coin. I don't like trading coin that are new. I will go to the 1 month. What do? You go to more. I want to see how long is this coin. If the coin, okay, this is an old coin, I've seen it. If I put my hand on the first coin, it will give me the history of the coin. You can see the coin was launched in 2021. You will see in that box, you will see date in 2020 on 1st of January. So it's an old coin. So I can enter that coin if the coin follows my the second row, which I will be showing us. So let me first clear all this first. So when I check the 1 month chart, if I see that the coin is a long time coin, that means the coin has enough trade history that I will have confidence that I cannot dump more. The coin has enough liquidity. So if that criteria is uh if that criteria is met, then the next thing for me to do is I want to check the coin, that the coin, is it on a downward trend on a daily chart and on the 4-hour chart. See, I want to check whether the coin on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart, whether it's on a downward trend. Because I was showing us before that a coin has already gone up like this. You don't want to go and enter the coin from the top, because buyers have pushed the coin up. But I want to enter a coin when the candles are down like this. So I'll enter from down, then I will write it up. So the next thing for you to do is to identify by going to the 1-day chart. On the 1 day chart, I want to see, is the coin on a downward trend? Now, for me, this coin is not on a good downward trend for me. It's not on a good downward trend. It's hanging. The downward trend is not strong enough. I want the downward trend to be more steeper down, because this coin on the 1 day chart is going to retrace down. What do I mean by retrace? Days ahead, this coin is going to dump to this level. This is my strategy that has been working for me. I will give us evidence. Days ahead, this coin is going to dump more to this place. I have entered coin that I didn't follow this rule, and for almost 2 months now, I'm still holding on that coin. I enter with at 3.3. If I follow this rule, I will not have stayed in that coin. The coin has dumped by -50% to about $1.5, and it's still struggling to come back to this place. Because on the 1 day chart, the coin was having this kind of formation. If the coin on the 1 day chart has gone a downward trend more below the last green candle, if you choose to go to the previous candle, then I know that this ahead I will not stay long, even if the market undergoes correction. So on the 1 day chart, make sure that the coin is on a downward trend. What do I mean by that? This is what I mean by a downward trend. Let's say that this candles here is not here. If on the 1 day chart I enter from here, I know that this ahead the coin can go up and I will take profit. Even I can take profit like 2-4%. Just watch that when this coin went on a downward trend at this place, if you enter here, I know see the way the coin moved up to this green candle. So you'll have made profit. So, but the last candle that we are seeing here, I know see that it is hanging. So I will not enter this coin. So when I go to the 4 hour chart and I see it's on a downward trend on a 4 hour chart, so you can say that okay, if on a 1 day chart it is not, not a downward trend. Okay, let's check the 4 hours. The 4 hours shows that it's on a downward trend, which is good. Then let me check 4 hours too. It's on a downward trend, but a candle is hanging here. It might still drop again down here. So for me, on the 1 month chart, the criteria has been met, but on the 1 day chart is hanging. I will not enter. On the 4 hours, I'm not too comfortable with it. On the 4 hour chart is on a downward trend, but I will not enter. I will still look for other coins. So if I go and check the next highest negative coin, so I don't always enter a coin even if it's on a downward trend. Even if the coin is the, what I mean that I won't enter a coin even if it's on the, if it's the high negative, it can go down more. Coins that are not even as negative as them might even perform more than them. So if I go and check the next coin on the 1 month, I think the coin is this coin. So when we see people, if I send signal to them, these are what I do before I send signal. So it's an old coin. It's an old coin. But if I check the coin on the 1 month, it's an old coin. On the 1 day chart, if the last candle is not in that one trend, I won't enter. On the 1 day chart, the coin is on upward trend. I won't enter this coin. The moment I check on the 1 day chart, for me, I won't enter that coin. On the 4 hour chart, it's also having, it's not really on a downward trend. If you can check here, it's not really on a downward trend. I want it to go down like this before I enter. It's hanging. I won't enter this coin. So I'll go out. So I'll keep on checking until I see a coin that follows my criteria. So if I check the next one, okay, on the 1 month, let's see. Okay, the coin is a new coin. Even so, it's a new coin. So if I put my hand on the first candle, so it's not a new coin. Okay, it's the coin from 2020. It's okay, it's sun. Okay, I know sun. So let me check the coin on the 1 day chart. On the 1 day chart is a no for me, because the coin, okay, it's a no for me. It's hanging. I not see the way it's hanging. The coin is dropping down here in the 1 day chart. It's going to dump more to this place. So I won't enter this coin. On the 4-hour chart, it's on a downward trend because this one is on daily chart is hanging. If anything happens in the market, this coin might dump more. So you can decide, okay, let me use either if two of this time frame is okay for you. If you see the one downward, if the coin is on a downward trend on the 1 day chart and it's on a downward trend on 4 hours, you can enter. Or if on the 4 hours and the 1 hour they are on a downward trend like this, 4 hours, 1 hour, you can see enter. Because on the 4 hours, you can see that it's on a downward trend here. Then on the 4 hours, it's on a downward trend too. So if you want to enter this kind of coin, enter and take like 1.5, 1.2% at most and get out because the market can change against you. So if you want to use 4 hours and 1 hour to enter a coin, then don't stay too long in that coin. Don't stay too long. Take small profit. But for me, I will still need to go and look for other coins. I like coins that's on a downward trend on the 1 day chart. And I've checked the coin. That coin is Atom. Because I have to check from up until I got to this Atom. And Atom is a good coin for me. So this Atom, let me check this Atom. Atom is a coin I know since 2021. So it's a good coin. So there's no but. I know this coin very well. It's a good coin. Atom is an old coin. It's 2020. I know it's a very old coin. A very old coin. So it's this coin is on it's a very old coin. I have to even go and check on 1 year because it's a very old coin. So I can enter this coin with confidence. So let me go to 1 day. Now on the 1 day chart, it's on a downward trend. So it's a plus for me. On the 4 hours, it's on a downward trend too. Then on the 1 hour, it's on a downward trend, but it's about moving. There's following from a green candle, so I can enter this coin. So another coin I saw is ORN. ORN. Don't mind me that this video is long, but the moment you get this concept, I think ORN. ORN. Okay, it's ORN. So I checked the coin on a 1 month. It's an old coin. It's an old coin. I checked it. It's 2020, over 4 years coin. Then on the 1 day chart, it's on a downward trend. But I'm okay. Then it's on a downward trend on 1 day, and on 4 hours, it's on a downward trend. But it's already forming a red candle again. So let me check the 1 hour. So let me check another coin I saw. Rare. So that coin rare. Okay, this coin. I can't enter this coin. 4 hours. It's on a downtrend. Okay, I can see enter this coin. So I can see enter this coin. So what I will now do is that what's the next criteria to check after you have checked the downtrend on the 1 day? The only coin that give me that very perfect formation of candles on downtrend is Atom. So the next thing to check is check the RSI indicator on daily chart if it is below 35 or 40. So that like that Atom on the 1 day chart, you now go to the RSI. The RSI is down here. RSI. You can see that the RSI here is very low. Relative strength index. That's a good plus for me. The lower the RSI, it shows that the coin has really been oversold. So the coin must go up. Then on the 4 hour, The RSI is also 24. Wow, this is a perfect coin to enter. It's a perfect coin to enter. So the lower the RSI, the higher profit you can take, because it shows that the coin has really been oversold. So the next um, criteria to check is using the Bollinger Band. So let me focus on this um, atom. So the Bollinger Band is here. This Bollinger Band. So I'll click it. That Bollinger Band is a very good indicator. Now the Bollinger Band helps you to know a perfect formation of a downward trend. So you can see that the instruction here says that using the Bollinger Band indicator, check if the last candle is touching or closer to the last line in a daily chart. So you can see that on the daily chart, this last candle is touching here. So the next thing is for the candles to form up. Is the next is for it to be going up here. Then on the 4-hour chart, you can see the Bollinger Band is touching the last candle too. The last candle touch is around the region of the lowest line of the Bollinger Band. Then the next thing is for it to go up. So this is a perfect coin for me. This is a good coin for me to enter, because anytime the any candle touches the bottom of the last line, it will go up back, and when it touch the highest up here, it will come down. So the Bollinger Band shows you very good perfect price action, resistance, and the support of any coin. So that's why follow this rule. Follow this rule. So the first rule is look for the highest negative coin. Check if the coin is an old coin. Then check the coin on a downward trend. If it's on a downward trend, check the coin is on a downtrend on the 4 hours and on daily charts. Check the RS indicator. Is it on lesser than 35? The lower the RSI on daily chart and 1 hour chart, you are good to go. Then using the Bollinger Band, let the candles touch the last line. Then you can take 2.5 to 3.5 or more. So Atom is the only coin that are giving me that condition. It made those three conditions. Number one, the coin is negative. On the monthly chart, the coin is an old coin. Then it's on a downward trend on a daily and the 4-hour chart. Then the RSI is lower than 35. Then uh, the candles are touching the lowest line on the Bollinger Band. So about 4 conditions have been met. So make sure that 3 or 2 or more condition, 2 or 3 or more condition is meant before you enter any coin. So the next thing is for you to just click create, multi strategy board, click create, click next at the bottom, then click resetting at the bottom, then go to manually create, then click choose a strategy setting to pick your trade setting depending on your capital. So when you get a click on choose a strategy settings, then tap your trade setting. Let's say you have $200 to over $200 in your capital, depending on your trade capital. So just tap margin call limit in the middle to import these settings. Then make sure that by default it will be on all position take profits. It will be on OAS mode. Don't ever make that mistake. Change it to sub-bin real time, please. Change to sub-bin real time. Then you can change your first buying amount to the amount that you saw on your trade setting strategy. Either you are using bronze, you are using silver, you are using jade. We have trade setting for each capital. Then off the year margin call. So if in the signal you are told to use 3.1, then make sure that you put the take profit ratio you want to take. Then click save, and ensure click save. Then the next thing for you to do is make sure that it is on one shot on sub mode, please. If you mistakenly saw that it is on cycle like this. Tap it again to change it to um, one shot. This will be moderate time settlement, mean that you want the bot to be buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling for you and be giving a problem immediately. If you go and put it in O warehouse mode, the bot will never it just be buying, 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 but it will never sell. Please don't make the mistake of put it in O warehouse mode. Then when you are done, click activate, click create, then you can start your trade. So this is the 6 steps you need to go through to enter signal by yourself. The video is long, but the moment you can master these 6 steps, you will not have much issue of entering any coin that will be uh, stocked for long. Because if you enter a coin that is oversold on the 1 day chart, on the 4 hour chart, then you not take too long on the coin. Even if the market goes against you, you can get the coin delivered very, very fast. So thank you for watching this video. Aderemi-Digital is my name, and have a lovely day. Bye bye. A result of an account using these 6 steps to trade on RoyalQ with $2,800. This is a new account. In the last 7 days, you can see the results. You can see that almost every day this account is making money using the fund and risk management with the trade settings. Using these 6 steps that I just shared, the account is doing very, very well. These steps is what this account is following, and this account has 2,800 trade capital and is not over trading. It's trading just 3 coins and is using the emerald trade setting. And is even using $40 as first buy in amount. It's using the emerald trade setting, which I think I've shown. This is emerald trade setting. That's what this account is using. This emerald trade setting. That's why it's buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling frequently to be making, because the bot will buy and selling frequently to be able to make money more daily. This emerald trade setting. So I just want to add more to this video to show evidence of this strategy, these 6 steps, and with these strategies to show you that it works with our RoyalQ bot with these strategies. So Aderemi-Digital is my name. So if you'd like to join our team, just check the below this video WhatsApp group link and my WhatsApp number to get started. Thank you and God bless.